Hello and welcome back guys to the Tech Geek channel. I am Deepesh and in this video we will see how to publish Python package on the Python package index. So let's get started. So in this video these are the bullet points that we are going to cover. What is PyPI and what is packaging Python libraries and tool, and what is the procedure to publish package to the PyPI, and how to use published package, and later demo. So what is PyPI? PyPI is like Python package index is a repository of software for the Python programming language. Okay. And PyPI actually helps you to find and install software developed shared by the Python community. And what are the packages? Like that packages, whatever will be there on the PyPI is very easy to install and deployable. So as you can see, this is the place. This is the place where you can find, install, and publish Python packages. And you can browse any project, anything like anything, any project. So you will find, you can filter it out based on your requirement, like which Python package, which Python version you want to install, something like that. You can filter it out. Okay. In the next slide, we will see what is packaging Python libraries and tools. And for the very first time, I will tell you like why packaging is required. So suppose if you are building some Python packages with the help of standard libraries, then packaging is all about to just whatever work you are doing, developing the package you are building, just need to compress it and put it to one common place. So it is easy to redistribute and reused by multiple people. Uh, like package consists of multiple files, and they are harder to distribute actually if you do not have a common repository, or if you're providing some download link. So if you download it again and again one at a time, so it is very harder. So that's why there is a one common place, which is PyPI, which is largely used by the Python community in order to install and deploy the packages over there. Okay. And what is Python modules? Python modules is like a file. uh, it only relies on the standard libraries and can be redistributed and reused. That you can see these packages that we can call it like a Python modules. Okay. And and in order to actually just packaging your Python libraries, so there are two ways. One is source distribution and another one is a binary distribution. So the source distribution is a very simple way, like you just combine your tar zip format, and there are several formats you can, with the help of source distribution, uh, you can actually just compress your code. And this format also we can define while building a source distribution like zip, gstar, xstar, zstar, like that. Okay. And second version is a Python binary distribution, and for that we usually use a wheel package that actually being used to format design to ship libraries with compiled artifacts. That's why it is very if we install it with the help of pip, it is very easy to install. And all the binary distribution are os is centric. For Mac OS, there will be a different binary distribution. For Windows, there will be a separate binary distribution. Like that, there are multiple. So if any, so it is by default we need to actually send both the files, both the distribution, you can say source distribution and binary distribution. If suppose for any environment this binary distribution is not available, so what you can do is you can clone the source distribution, you can untar that file, and then you can simply call the Python setup UI and install that particular package. Okay. So wheel is nothing but a zip format achieved with a specially formatted file name. Call it .whl extension, and it is designed to contain all the files for a PEP 376 compatible install in a way that is very close to on disk format. Okay, let's move forward. So there is very few steps. With the help of that, you can easily publish your package. So first of all, you need to go to this website, pypi.org, and there you need to click on register. While you click on register for the very first time, you need to enter your name, email address, you need to select your username, and you need to select the password. After registering, you can simply log in into that website. Okay. So this is the first step. And the second one is like wherever you want to actually publish the package. First you need to go to their virtual environment. Then after that you need to make sure that whatever the setup tools version you have and the wheel version you have, it should be upgraded and it should be up to date. And the third one is fourth one is your you need to build both the distribution. One is source distribution, another one is a binary distribution wheel. Okay, and the last one is a twin upload distribution. The both the distribution that you have built, you need to upload with the help of this twine package. So what is this twine package actually? uh, we will look into that quickly. So the goal of twin is to improve PyPI interaction by improving the security and testability. And the biggest reason to use twin is that it is securely authenticates you to PyPI over HTTPS using a verified connection, regardless of underlying Python version. Meanwhile, like if you simply do the Python setup PY upload, it will actually first of all it will just check the your Python version underlying build operating system, whether it is configured properly or not. Okay, so that is a big advantage of using twin. And the second one is like it is encourages you to build your distribution files. Like it allows you to upload a package as a final step uh, with the help of setup tools or maybe disutils, whatever you want to use, with the same command. So that is also very big advantage. And these are the few features that you can look into that. Okay, and let's move forward to the use. How we are going to use our published package? We can simply call it like pip package, package name, that whatever we have installed we have published. And the second one is like python 3 setup install. After doing the tar, we can download the actual source distribution from the PyPI. Like you can simply go to any package and you can go to the download files. In download files you can simply find one of the distribution calls, the zip or tar, whatever it is there. This will be your source distribution. It will showing you the file type that you are uploading over there. So it's a source distribution, that's why it is showing the source. So you can simply download that. You can untar that, and simply you can call a python 3 setup py and then install. So it will install in your development environment. And the another way is to actually use it, like you can simply download one of the wheel file according to your operating system, like windows 32, mac os, or based on your requirement you can download that wheel file. So it is very so if you are installing with the help of wheel file, it is very fast to actually install in your development environment. Okay, so let's move to the quickly demo. So in the earlier video, you have seen like we are building the calculate Python CLI tool. In this video, we are going to publish this on the PyPI. So it will be available to all the users, all the developers who want to use this library. Okay. So in order to do that, you need to be remember like whatever the name that you are going to do, you are going to give in the setup PY. It should be a unique. That particular name should not be exist on the Python package index. And secondly, if you have already published your package, then if you are doing the next time, then you need to remember like whatever version you are giving, it should not be exist over there. So you can give the next time. So in our case, you can see we have already created one and published. And in this video, we will just give the another version and upload again. So you can see this is the calculate shapes that is already being published, but I will again upload the next version in this video. So we need to give the another name. First we'll go to the virtual environment, and then we will simply build both the distribution as just and the binary distribution wheel. So as you can see here, there are two distribution that has been created over there. Now the next part is like we need to just upload them to the PyPI. Okay, so just it will ask you the username and password that you have registered on the PyPI while creating the account. Oh, I've given the wrong username credential. Okay, so you can see here, if we refresh this page, you can simply see that the latest version has been available there in order to use for any user. Now we are going to use the same package. So let's first quickly check whether we have already installed this or not. So you can see that we have a 0.6 version. Okay. Now what we will do is we will just uninstall the previous version and install again. Currently it is showing 0.6. It will be available after some time when it will be, there is a backend, there is already job trigger that will check whether it's a correct release or not. That after some time it will be available to download. So that is the way that I am showing you. If you have any query, any question, please feel free to comment in my video. And if you like the video, please comment, like the video and subscribe the channel, and do share the video with others. Thank you so much. Bye.